Hello partners, welcome to our first quarter video review, highlighting the activities, the impact that we've been able to achieve for the last 3 months. This video highlights activities that runs from Mother and Child Rehabilitation Center, community-led development projects, and the outreach programs, with a clear show of how activities have been done in relation to our set goals and objectives. In the first quarter of the year, Watoto Wenye Nguvu continued its mission of restoring dignity, hope and opportunity to vulnerable mothers and children. At Kusitawi Mother and Child Rehabilitation, we successfully rescued 124 vulnerable mothers together with their children, offering them a space to heal, rebuild and rediscover their potential.
Inaitwa aje? Hiyo inaitwa aje unaguza?
Makio.
Aha, makio.
Makio.
Masikio, aha.
Kichwa.
Kichwa. Kichwa. Aha. Da. Na hiyo hapo chini. Na hiyo nguruwe, na hiyo hapo juu. Hapo juu ya nguruwe. Aha. Inaitwa aje ile Dylan? Ile Roman ameshika inaitwa aje? Hiyo Roman ameshika. Hiyo ameshika. Inaitwa aje? Inaitwa aje? Yes, hii ndio nguruwe. This is a pig. And this one?
Pig.
No, this one. Aha. Hii iko chini. Aha, avocado. Na hii?
Banana.
Na hii?
Apple.
Na hii?
Apple.
Na hii?
Apple.
Hii inaitwa aje?
Apple.
Hii inaitwa aje?
Inaitwa aje? Nini inaitwa aje?
Na hii?
Through structured empowerment programs, the mothers were trained in hair and beauty, tailoring, and food production, practical skills that opened doors to sustainable livelihood. So this first quarter also marked an important milestone as the first cohort successfully completed their first assessment, demonstrating growth, confidence, and readiness for independence during their integration. Spiritual nourishment is part of the rehabilitation process. So we held our monthly masses for the mothers to equip them spiritually and to enhance the process of the rehabilitation.
Naitwa Monica na maisani anaitwa Dylan. Nashukuru sana kwa vile mlinipokea na mkanilea na mkanitoa mahali nilikuja mtoto wangu akiwa hawezi jifanyia kitu, hawezi keti, hawezi nini, lakini kwa saa hii anaweza ongea, anaweza jifida kwa sawa, na bado nitazidi kumfunza. Mbarikiwe na mzidi kusaidia wengi.
Beyond training, we witnessed transformation. Several mothers were successfully reintegrated back to their families and communities, now empowered to provide and care for their children with dignity. We had a consultative meeting with the Ngoliba Comprehensive CBO, the meeting that bring on board the Assistant County Commissioner, who is new, the chiefs and the community stakeholders to discuss matters community development. We also had a meeting with the head teachers of schools to highlight the issues of the school feeding, on how we are going to retain, on how we are going to ensure that there's a total 100% transition and improve on the children performance in schools. So the meeting brought on board the teachers, the CBO members and the representatives from Watoto Wenye Nguvu. Through collaboration with PWD Diplomatic Area in the community, we identified Peace Mudeu, who had hearing complications. She was referred to the hospital where they did diagnose, and we provided the assistive device. We also did farm scale trainings for community members from Ngoliba Ward, where the members came to learn on how to do crop management. They also learned on the poultry and pig rearing. Then after the trainings, we gave them for various groups, self-help groups which had applied, each member receiving 10 chicks to kickstart their chicken rearing project.
Marketing self-help group kutoka ward ya Ngoliba. Sisi ni mamemba kama 30, sio kama mamemba 30.
After the follow-ups, the crops are doing better, and we are much hopeful that with the enough rainfall that's being experienced this time, we expect that they are going to have a good harvest that will enable them sustain themselves and their families.
Kwa hivyo hata akili yako unapaswa uifunze, even if your body has those strong sexual desires.
In the outreach program, we did a continuation of various interventions where After the identification of the needy cases, we offered the much needed service provision for school fees. We paid school fees for Kidima Primary, Munyo Primary, Donyo Primary. We also did desk support for Dulia Primary and Donyo and Kidima Primary to ensure that the children have enough space where they can sit comfortably in a class and learn uninterrupted.